Here on the shores of Loch Venacar, there are quite a few waders, from the oyster catchers to the sandpipers, but one that caught my eye a couple of days ago was the little ringed plover. Now these are one of the UK's cutest waders, and my word, they are one of the most curious. But they choose these shores of lochs like Loch Venacar because when the summer comes, the beach warms up quite quickly, and this attracts lots and lots of crustaceans and invertebrates that are food for our little cute little ringed plovers.